back in 1287 they had an amazing view. Look at this.
It's an amazing view.
Whee. It's fantastic. Oh, there they are.
Oh, here they come.
When we got here, there was red kites flying all around, but good morning. We are at Dresden Castle. Very quiet park up last night. It's busy during the day, though it is Easter weekend. Don't know the history of it. Worth a Google, certainly worth a stopover. It's free to park up for the night. Council don't mind. It's a council car park now, not a National Trust. No facilities at all. No bins, no doggy poo bins, nothing. So obviously just, tidy up after yourself, and that's going on here. Just walked along the riverbank with the dogs, and I thought, what a shame I didn't take the camera. There's some lovely shots to be had. But this is where we are. I think it was the 12th century. I'll show you a picture of the castle in a bit. I think, if I remember correctly, it was given to the last Welsh prince as a sweetener, but then he rebelled, and then it was quickly, I think it was Edward the First. I think it was Edward the First. I don't know. My history's not brilliant. Quickly come and took the castle back, and I don't know what happened to the guy. When you see the castle, it's like up on the top of a hill, obviously, and some poor buggers had to build it. I don't know where they quarried the stone from, but it was a long time ago. It's on the River Tow, this is, or Towie. Seems to be quite popular with the local fishing community, like. But this is all private fishing along here. I don't know if you can see in the background the castle on the top. So, we just had a beautiful dog walk along here, along the riverbank. And talking about Meandering River, my God, I've never seen a river wind so much. It's literally a snake from top to bottom. When we're on the other side of the valley, up the side where you can see it when you go up the castle, it's a bit of a steep walk, and it's the usual. But no, it's really nice. We're about, again, I'm guessing, I think about 20 minutes from Carmarthen. This whole valley is, I think it is known as the Towie Valley. It's beautiful, mind you. It's peaceful. The weather we've had Easter weekend, we're not up in Scotland. The ideal part of that was to avoid Storm Dave, and we came here, and the wind and the rain has been absolutely. I think the van's 4 ton, and you still thought, bloody hell, it's going to blow over in a minute. All that, a tree's going to fall on top of us because we've parked in this car park there. I don't know if you can see us or not, just on the end there. No, but it's beautiful. There's bird boxes and trail cams, and we had red kites yesterday. I think Sam's got to see if she can get some photos. The idea was to climb up onto the castle, where we did, and hopefully get, because the red kites were flown just below the castle walls, so we're hoping to get some shots of them from above, but we didn't. They just disappeared when we went up there. I don't know if there's any up there at the moment. I can't see any, but beautiful spot, and as I see it, this is what we got. It's not bad, is it? Not bad at all. The sun's come out, so that's always a bonus, isn't it? Surely. And that one up there, I don't know if I can do it on the camera or not, that is Paxton's Tower, about there. And that was a folly built in 1800 and something. We just stopped at Penley Court Farm. It's a campsite just outside of Tenby. We just popped in here to do services, as in fresh water and empty the loo and stuff, and they would not take payment for it. You know, you just certainly don't mind paying to do the services, but no, they would not take. I said, well, just take a £5 for a pint or something. No, wouldn't take anything. It's a lovely clean site. Sam's still doing her job, so here she is.
Cheeky.
Yeah, it's a lovely clean site, lots of space, all open pitches.
This is where Hannah knows.
Yeah, not bad at all.
Doorway.
Really grateful to them. Not a bad free park up for this evening. 10-minute walk down to the beach. Sadly, I'm not sure about the sunset. Wonderful Wales yet again. This is where we're at. Never left park up, found on search for sites. Can't really complain, except I'm going to get dragged along by a dog now. You can park down on the beach, but I don't think there's any overnight parking allowed there. So this is where we're going to be. Nice walk down the beach. It's going to be a long walk back up to the beach. Yeah, it's basically just pulling lay-by, but the road's dead quiet. There's nothing on here at all. Hopefully get a nice sunset later. Morbihan Beach. Morbihan? I better check the pronunciation of that. Some bins. It's a dog friendly beach, as you can hear. Plenty of dogs barking. We'll take a look. Oh, there's a castle up there, church, and an inn. One's less appealing than the other, but I do like to look around old churches, so I suppose I'll have to suffer the pub and have a nose around the castle. Look at this. It's a bit like Woolacombe in one sense. A lot quieter. Surfers are out. Easter Sunday. Not bad. I can live with this. Oh, there's two terrible ones down there, look. How long's going to take a bed? Another wind. Manorbier Castle. Well, we're not actually. We're in the tea rooms. Very nice coffee, lovely cake, nice cold roast sausage roll, but however, it's gone. Yes, and they got their tidbits, didn't you? The ones are under the table. It's the time we get peace and quiet. Making the most of the sun shining. Nice little gardens done. You can go inside the castle there. Tea shop, gift room, gift shop rather, gatehouse and a moat. Should have videoed it on the way in really, but hey ho, never did. Got the walk up the hill now. Oh, so looking forward to that.
Because these in the stocks first.
Yeah, I might put some in the stocks.
No.
There's some stocks down there. I think just big enough to get Sam's head in. Samantha,
Yes.
are you guilty or not guilty?
Guilty?
Yeah, I'd say so. No. The sun's been shining, it's been very nice, and the dogs pulled us down the hill, but they won't pull us back up the hill, will
No,
these?
it's not too bad. We're going to have a good sunset view, aren't we, tonight?
Except for there was a van there when we got there, parked up. It's driven off now, and you know what they've left behind?
Ooh.
Yeah, they've left a pile of
Poo.
poo and a little bit of tissue paper stuck on the top of it. It's not dog poo. Dogs don't wipe the backsides. So,
Disgusting.
it is absolutely disgusting, and people wonder why, you know. Oh dear. Right, we're on a collection
Oh
thing.
dear.
Better go.
Wasn't quick enough for that.
Good morning, people. It's Wednesday last night. We did take a couple of photos and videos, bits and bobs. This is the short one we had before we head off to Pembroke. Got to go and do a food shop, dog food and stuff, and have food ourselves. And then we're heading further west, not 100% 100% sure where we're going, but we'll get there. Anyway, this is our little second doggy walk. Buckland Leeds. Hi guys.
Hello, Ray.
Thank you. Come on.
I'll get really twitchy by the kids.
Yeah, no, that is. You think you stand on the end of the grass and they're not.
Yeah. Especially if there's been lots of rain and it.
Usual morning guys for the dogs. Absolutely gorgeous, huh? Can't really fault this. They open the doors every morning and it's somewhere different to walk. They can't wait. Mind you, we've got to walk back up that yet. By the time you were seeing, yeah. Someone's looking a little bit keen to get away. Where are we off to next, Miles? Going to Pembroke, are we? We are. We need extra dog food. I think we have half a dozen cans. Oh, there's a little pole there, put your stickers on. But we haven't got any stickers. We don't do stickers. Not yet. Might do. Just for the sake of it. Oh dear. Let's see. Yeah, and I'm looking dashing this morning. I'm blowing though going up that hill. But anyway, we're off and we'll pick you up in Pembroke or the other side maybe.